If you're an 80s or 90s kid, possibly 70s, you're gonna know the code. What's the code? Today's topic, TV in your van and YouTube peer pressure. Roy just recently put a TV in his van, 32 inch. I thought my TV was big. I'm running a 19 inch Vizio. I've had this for 12 years. It was in my previous van build, and I'm surprised it's still working. You know how hot it gets in a van and how disposable electronics are these days. So shout out to Vizio, this thing still works. This is my Retron HD NES Repro system. It's been about a year since I've peer pressured Roy to get a lift kit for his van. So I'm gonna peer pressure you again. Instead of a 4 to 5 inch lift kit, how about a 2 inch leveling lift kit from Ford Parts 1? It's a lot cheaper than the 4 to 5 inch lift kits from the 3 lift kit companies for Econolines. And you'll be able to fit in the garage still. I know that's a big one for you, to fit in the garage. If you compare the back of your van to the front, the back is a lot higher than the front. So you'll have that nice leveled out look. You'll be lifted and you'll look badder. And while I'm at it, you need a light bar too. So extra peer pressuring for a light bar. Check out Overland Adventure Vanimals channel. He has a light bar like mine. Mine's a Baja Eliminator light bar, and ORW doesn't make it anymore. So talk to Adventure Vanimal. He has a nice light bar. So I think your van will look much better with a light bar and 2 inch leveling lift kit. And bonus, people look up Ford lifted vans. A lot of my views are from my lift kit videos, and the Ford Parts 1 kit, they're getting searched a lot lately because the other lifts they're really expensive, man. I had to work like endless 60-hour weeks to afford mine, and you know, money's tight these days, and kind of sucks for our vans that a 5 inch lift, 4 inch lift, it's a couple $1,000s, and like on a Jeep Wrangler, it's a couple $100s for a 5 to 6 inch lift. So lift kits are expensive for our vans just because, you know, it's a small market. But the Ford Parts 1 kit, man, get your van looking better, and it's a good marketing tool for your channel. Anyone else watching this, lift kit's a good you'll get a good edge on YouTube if you have a lifted van. And you know, unless you're a, you know, Instagram model girl, then you could use your looks, your physical human looks. But you know, if you're just a normal van channel, yeah, you need that edge, and you need to stand out among the other van channels. And a lift kit really helps. You know, it helped my channel. My lift kit videos is the catalyst to why my channel has grown to the extent that it has. All right. Have a great week, everyone. Been busy lately. I'll have more videos this week. I've been working on a lot of things lately. Just wanted to get this peer pressure video out.